Shri Amma Bhagwan Sharanam. This video explains in detail about importance and meaning of Shri Amma Bhagwan Mula Mantra. Om Sachidananda Parabrahma Purushottama Paramatma Shri Bhagavati Sameda Shri Bhagavate Namaha. Om Sachidananda Parabrahma Purushottama Paramatma Shri Bhagavati Sameda Shri Bhagavate Namaha. Sachidananda Parabrahma Purushottama Paramatma Shri Bhagavati Sameda Shri Bhagavate Namaha. This mantra invokes the living God, asking protection and freedom from all sorrow and suffering. It's a prayer that adores the great Creator and Liberator who out of love and compassion manifests to protect us in an earthly form. This Mula Mantra has given a great peace and joy to people all over the world who have chanted or even listened to it. It has the power to transport one's mind to the state of causeless love and limitless joy. The calmness that the mantra can give is to be experienced, not spoken about. Dear reader, here is the key with which any door to spiritual treasure could be opened. A tool which can be used to achieve all desires. A medicine which cures all ills. The nectar that can set man free. All auspiciousness and serenity is yours, simply by chanting or listening to this magnificent Mula Mantra. Amma and Bhagavan have given one mantra, the Mula Mantra. Amma and Bhagavan have blessed it and infused it with tremendous divine power, making this mantra extremely effective. Whenever you chant the Vedic mantra, even without knowing the meaning of it, it still carries power. To know the meaning and to chant the Mula Mantra from your heart is so much more powerful. Therefore, it is essential to know the meaning of the mantra when you use it. Listening to the mantra is uplifting and transforming. This sacred chant invokes the energy of Amma and Bhagavan. The mantra has a power to heal. The mantra awakens the divine presence in your heart and gives the state of cosmic consciousness and cures many diseases. It activates Agni Chakra and Sahasrara Chakra. The calmness that the mantra gives is to be experienced. One can experience the deep states of inner peace, tremendous joy, and heightened awareness. It is a mantra of golden age. The simplified meaning of the Mula Mantra. Om, you are calling on the highest energy of all there is. Sat, the formless. Sit, the consciousness of the universe. Ananda, pure love, bliss and joy. Parabrahma, the supreme creator. Purushottama, who has incarnated in human form to help guide mankind. Paramatma, who comes to me in my heart and becomes my inner voice whenever I ask. Shri Bhagavati, the Divine Mother, the power aspects of creation. Sameda, together within. Shri Bhagavate, the Father of creation, which is unchangeable and permanent. Namaha, I thank you and acknowledge this presence in my life. I ask for your guidance at all times. Om. The Om has got 100 different meanings. It is said in the beginning was the supreme word, and the word created everything. That word is Om. If you are meditating in silence deeply, you can hear the sound Om within. The whole creation emerged from the sound Om. It's a primordial sound or the universal sound by which the whole universe vibrates. Om also means inviting the higher energy. This divine sound has the power to create, sustain, and destroy. giving life and movement to all that exist. Sat. Sat means all penetrating existence, that is formless, shapeless, omnipresent, attributeless, and qualityless aspects of the universe. It is the unmanifest. It is experienced as emptiness of the universe. We could say it is the body of the universe that is static. Everything that has a form and that can be sensed evolved out of this unmanifest. It is so subtle that it is behind all perceptions. It can be only be seen when it has become gross and has taken form. We are in the universe and the universe is in us. We are the effect and the universe is the cause, and the cause manifests itself as the effect. Sit. Sit is the pure consciousness of the universe. That is infinite, omnipresent, manifesting power of the universe. Out of this is evolved everything that we call dynamic energy or force. It can manifest in any form or shape. It is a consciousness manifesting as motion, as gravitation, as magnetism, etc. It is also manifesting as the action of the body, as thought process, thought force. As thought force, it is the Supreme Spirit. Ananda. Ananda means bliss, love, and friendship nature of the universe. When you experience either the supreme energy in this creation, Sat, and become one with the existence, or experience the aspects of pure consciousness, Sit, you enter into the state of divine bliss and eternal happiness, Ananda. This is a primordial characteristic of the universe, which is the greatest and most profound state of ecstasy that you can ever experience when you relate with your higher consciousness. Parabrahma is the supreme being in these absolute aspects and who is behind space and time. It is the essence of the universe that is with form and without form. It is the supreme creator. Purushottama has got different meanings. Purusha means soul and Uttama means the supreme, the supreme spirit. It also means the supreme energy of force guiding us from the highest world. Purusha also means man, and Purushottama is the energy that incarnate as an avatar to help and guide mankind and relate closely to the beloved creation. Paramatma. Paramatma means the supreme inner energy that is immanent in every creature and in all beings, living and non-living. It is an indweller or the Antrayamin who resides formless or in any form desired. It is a force that can come to you whenever you want and wherever you want to guide and help you. Sri Bhagavati is the female aspect, which is characterized as a supreme intelligence in action, the power, the Sakti. This refers to the Mother Earth, Divine Mother, aspects of the creation. Sameda means together or in companion with. Sri Bhagavati is the male aspects of the creation, which is unchangeable and permanent. Namaha is salvation or prostration to the universe, that is home, and also has the qualities of Sat Siddhananda, that is omnipresent, unchangeable, and changeable at the same time. The Supreme Spirit in a human form and formless. The indweller that can guide and help in the feminine and masculine form. With the Supreme Intelligence, I seek your presence and guidance all the time. Sri Bhagavan explains the Mula Mantra as follows. The ultimate thing of the universe is what you call Brahman, which is supposed to have three qualities, namely Sat, Sit, and Ananda. Its sense of existence is what you call Sat. Its conscious intelligence is what you call Sit, and its nature is Ananda, which is bliss. That is why it is normally qualified as Sat Siddhananda Parabrahman. God or Ishvara is immanent in Brahman. God is power, compassion and love. That is why we refer to God as Sat Siddhananda Parabrahman. God relate to human as though God were a human. Hence you call God as a Purushottaman. The God also manifests within the individual as a Antrayaman or the highest sacred. Since the Antrayaman is in everyone, it is called the Paramatman. The Paramatman manifests as a Bhagavati and Bhagavan through Amma and Bhagavan. Namaste. Amma Bhagavan Sharanam. Namaste. Sri Amma Bhagavan Sharanam.